Today, we're going to build your personal 7-day plan for a digital detox.
You know how it starts. You're just going to take a quick 1-minute look. And then, boom, 2 hours of mindless scrolling are gone. We've all been there. And the fallout is real. Your focus is shot, you feel drained, your whole vibe feels off. So what's going on here? Why is it actually so hard to stop?
Well, it's all about dopamine. Every single like and video is a tiny reward hit for your brain.
Your brain gets hooked on that constant buzz, which is why you feel anxious without it. So let's fix it. Here's the plan to get your inner calm back day by day. Days 1 and 2 are all about one thing: taking back control of your phone. Just follow these 3 tasks. They'll seriously reduce your phone's grip on you. You're basically removing the triggers. It's a trick from modern psychology and ancient wisdom. All right, next up, days 3 and 4. Now we're going to replace the scrolling habit.
So when you get that urge, hijack it. Do one of these healthier things instead.
This is called habit stacking. You're swapping out the old reward for a new one. Okay, days 5 and 6. This is the big one. It's time to go social media free. Just log out of everything and commit to checking messages only once a day. Believe it or not, studies show this can boost your mood and focus almost instantly. And that brings us to day 7, the full digital fast. A modern-day retreat, really. Step away from all that noise. This is how you truly reconnect with yourself. So why does all this work so well? It really comes down to protecting your personal energy. Look, modern psychology and ancient wisdom are pretty much saying the same thing here. When you detox from social media, you're really detoxing from emotional chaos. Okay, so here is your challenge. You can literally start this right now. Follow this plan and then comment Detox Day 1 below to join in. Let's do this.